Hello friends, myself Chetan Thakur. Today we learn Standard 10th English Medium, chapter number 13, exercise 13.3. In last exercise, we solved example 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Now, in this exercise, we have to solve example number 5. A container shape like a circular cylindrical having diameter. So a container shape like circular cylindrical. So first is a circular cylindrical shape. In the cylindrical shape, diameter of cylinder diameter 12 centimeter, therefore radius is equal to 12 by 2 centimeter, so answer is 6 centimeter, and the height are given 15 centimeter. So the ice cream can be filled into cone of height, so this can be ice cream, so filled with another shape, it means cone plus hemisphere. So now quantity of ice cream in cylindrical container, so the ice cream in cylindrical container is equal to pi r square h. Pi as it is 6 into 6 radius, h is equal to 15, so final answer is 540 centimeter square and pi. Now filled with cone and hemisphere at mounted on a top. So hemisphere having radius 6 by 2 centimeter, therefore 6 centimeter, and height is equal to 12 centimeter. Therefore quantity of ice cream, so important question are seen board in one time, so remember that ice cream filled in one cone, it means here two shape, therefore volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. We know that volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h plus volume of hemisphere, it means 2 by 3 pi r cube. 1 by 3 here. Now 1 by 3 common, pi common, r square common, so remain part is h plus 2r, h plus 2r. Now put all value 1 by 3, 22 by 7, r square means 3 into 3, h is equal to 12, 2 into 3, therefore remains part is, after simplification, answer is 54 centimeter cube. So number of cones can be filled with ice cream, so number of cone taken as a small n in similar above question number 6. Here original divided by new shape, so first original shape, it means volume of which shape, original is cylindrical, and volume of cone container, it means volume of cone, therefore original answer, it means 540 0. So answer is 540 pi volume, and new volume is 54 pi. Therefore answer is 10. So number of cone is equal to 10. Next question 6 are on homework in next last lecture. So start with 7. Cylindrical bucket 32 centimeter high and radius is a base of 18. So answer, cylindrical bucket radius R1 is equal to 18 centimeter, height H is equal to 32 centimeter, filled with sand. This bucket is empty in the ground and the conical heap of sand is formed. If the height of conical heap is 24 centimeter, find the radius and slant height of heap. So cylindrical buckets filled with sand. This sand converted into which shape? Cone. Conical heap. Therefore, for cylindrical given detail and another detail for conical heap. For a conical heap, radius can be considered as R2 and height is considered as a H2. Here H1 height, H2 height are given 24 centimeter. So both volume will be same. Therefore compare volume of cylindrical bucket is equal to conical heap volume. Both volume have equal. Cylindrical volume is equal to pi R1 square H1 is equal to conical heap. It means 1 by 3 pi R2 square H2. Pi and pi cancel. Here find R2 square. So subject R2. Here R1 square H1 already on other side. These 3 division, so converted into multiplication. Now multiplication relation converted into division. R1 square means 18 into 18 into 32 and H2 are given 24. So we get value of R2 square is equal to this 6 into 4. So this cancel. 3 are remains and 4 are cancel. So 18 multiply by 6 3 is 18. So 3 cancel. 8 into 3. So here 6 are remain. These 3 cancel and 8 and 8 cancel. 4 cancel. So in short cancel out. 18 into 18 into 4. 8 and cancel. 4 remains. 18 into 8 into 4. Now R1 is equal to 18 and 18 2 times. Therefore under root 18 into 18 2 times. Therefore write down 1 time, and under root 4 means 2. Therefore answer is 36 centimeters. Now slant height. Slant height, it means L square is equal to H square plus R square. Value of H square is equal to 24 square plus R find here. Now 24 it means 576 and 36 means 1296. So addition is 1872 L square. Now L is equal to under root 72, and now factor of this 12 into 12 into 13. Therefore 12 2 times. So after out of under root only 1 time, and under root 13 as it is. So answer is 12 under root 13 centimeters. So now completed here question number 5 and 6. So in this lecture we have to solve question number 5 and 6. Now next video we have to solve next question. Thank you friends.